Hello everyone, welcome to High School Mathematics channel. Today we are going to learn class 7 chapter 1 integers exercise 1.3. Let us see the first sum. Identify the loss in the following statements. See the first one. Minus 3 plus 5 that equals to 5 plus of minus 3. It is looking like commutative property under addition, that is a plus b equals to b plus a. So we can write here additive commutative property or commutative property under addition. See second one, minus 2 into 1 that equals to 1 into minus 2 that equals to minus 2. It is looking like multiplicative identity. A into 1 that equals to 1 into a equals to a. So here property is multiplicative identity property. See third one, minus 5 into 2 into 3 that equals to minus 5 into 2 into 3. It is looking like associative property under multiplication, that is a into b into c that equals to a into b into c. So we can write multiplicative associative property or associative property under multiplication. See now fourth one, 18 into 7 plus of minus 3 that equals to 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. It is looking like distributive property, that is a into b plus c that equals to a into b plus a into c. Therefore here answer is distributive property or distributive law. See now fifth one, minus 5 into 6 that equals to minus 30. See here a into b, that is minus 5 into 6. These both are integers. Their product is also an integer. So it is here multiplicative closure property or closure property under multiplication. See now sixth one, minus 3 plus 0 that equals to 0 plus of minus 3 that equals to minus 3. This is looking like additive identity property, that is a plus 0 equal to 0 plus a that equals to a. Therefore answer is additive identity property. See now second question, what will be the sign of the product of the following? See the first one, 24 times of negative integer. Here 24 is an even number. So negative integer, even number of times multiplied, answer will be positive integer. See now second one, 35 times of negative integer. Here 35 is a odd number. Odd number of times a negative integer is multiplied. Answer will be negative integer. See now third sum, write the numbers in the blanks by using appropriate law. See the first one, minus 3 plus blank that equals to minus 3. This is looking like additive identity a plus 0 that equals to a. So minus 3 plus 0 that equals to minus 3. See now second one, 2 into minus 3 that equals to minus 3 into blank. This is looking like a into b equals to b into a, that is commutative property under multiplication. So 2 into minus 3 is equal to minus 3 into 2. See now third one, minus 6 plus 3 plus minus 2 that equals to minus 6 plus blank plus blank. So this is looking like associative property under addition. A plus b plus c that equals to a plus b value is 3. A plus b plus c. C value is here minus 2. See now fourth one, minus 6 into dash that equals to minus 6. This is looking like multiplicative identity a into 1 that equals to a. Therefore minus 6 into 1 is equal to minus 6. See now fifth one, 5 into minus 6 plus 9 that equals to blank into minus 6 plus 5 into blank. So this is looking like distributive property of multiplication over addition. So 5 into minus 6 plus 9, that is a into b plus c that equals to a into b plus a into c. A value is here 5. So write down here a into b, that is 5 into minus 6 plus a into c, that is 5 into 9. See now fourth question, state true or false, give the reasons. See the first one, 2 is the multiplicative identity of minus 2. We know multiplicative identity for any number is 1. So multiplicative identity of minus 2 will be 1 only. But they have given here 2 is the multiplicative identity of minus 2. So the given statement is false. See now second one, integers are commutative under subtraction. We know integers are commutative under addition and multiplication only, but they have given here integers are commutative under subtraction. So the given statement is false here. See now third one, for any two integers a and b, a into b is equal to b into a. This is commutative property under multiplication. It is a true statement. See now fourth one, the division of integer by 0 is not defined. Division of any number by 0 is not defined, that is true. So write down fourth one as true. See now fifth one, 6 plus of minus 6 that equals to minus 6 plus 6 that equals to 0 indicates additive identity property. We know additive identity property as a plus 0 or 0 plus a that equals to a. But here a plus a, that is 6 plus of minus 6 plus 6 is equal to 0, which is not an additive identity property. So write down here false. See now fifth question, simplify the following using suitable laws. See the first one, minus 11 into minus 25 into minus 4. Let us see the solution. Here first two numbers we have grouped, minus 11 into minus 25 into minus 4. This is looking like associative law, that is a into b into c. Now we have to write a into b into c. That is minus 11 into minus 25 into minus 4. That equals to minus 11 into, now we have to solve the value present in the brackets. Minus 25 into minus 4. Minus into minus plus 25 4s are 100. Now we have to multiply these two numbers, minus 11 into 100. Both are having opposite sign. The answer will be negative integer. So keep minus. 11 into 100 is 1100. Therefore the answer is here minus 1100. See now fifth question, second sum, 3 into minus 18 plus 3 into minus 32. Let us see the solution. 3 into minus 18 plus 3 into minus 32. This is looking like distributive property, that is a into b plus a into c. So that can be written as a into b plus c. That equals to 3 into b plus c, that is minus 18 plus minus 32. That equals to 3 into, both are having same sign, so the answer is negative. Keep minus, then add 18 plus 32, that is 50. Now we have to multiply 3 into minus 50, that equals to, both are having opposite sign, so the answer is negative integer. So keep minus, then multiply 3 into 50, that is 150. Therefore the answer is here minus 150. See now question number 6. Are the integers are associative under subtraction? Explain by an example. Let us see the solution. No, the integers are not associative under subtraction. Let us see an example. Is minus 9 minus 4 minus 3, that equals to minus 9 minus of 4 minus 3. Let us see the solution. Let us take LHS, that is left hand side part. That is minus 9 minus 4 minus 3. That equals to, first we have to solve the value present in the brackets. Here both are having same sign. We have to do addition and keep minus sign. So put minus sign. 9 plus 4, that is 13. Then write down next integer, that is minus 3. Minus 13 minus 3, that equals to minus 16. Here both are having same sign. We have done addition. So 13 plus 3, that is 16. And both having minus sign. So the answer is minus. So LHS answer is minus 16. Now let us see RHS part, that is right hand side part. That is minus 9 minus of 4 minus 3. That equals to minus 9 minus Solve the values present in the bracket. 4 minus 3 that equals to 1. See now minus 9 minus 1 here. Both are having same sign. We have to do addition. 9 plus 1 that is 10. Both are negative integers, so the answer is negative integer only. Here answer is minus 10. If we observe LHS part, that is minus 16, RHS part, that is minus 10. Both are not equal. Therefore, minus 9, minus 4, minus 3, that is not equal to minus 9, minus of 4, minus 3. Therefore, integers are not associative under subtraction. See now question number 7. Verify minus 5 into 2 into 3 is equal to minus 5 into 2 into 3. Let us see the solution. LHS part, that is left hand side part, that is minus 5 into 2 into 3, that equals to, first solve the value present in the brackets. Minus 5 into 2, that is, keep minus sign, 5 2s are 10. So minus 10 into 3, that equals to, here both are having opposite signs, so the answer is negative. Keep minus sign, then multiply 10 3s are 30. So the answer is here minus 30. Now let us see RHS part, that is right hand side part. Minus 5 into 2 into 3, that equals to minus 5 into, multiply 2 3s are 6. That equals to minus 5 into 6, we have to multiply. Here both integers are having opposite signs, so the answer is negative. Keep minus sign, then multiply 5 6 are 30. If we observe LHS part and RHS part, both are equal. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS, that is minus 5 into 2 into 3, that is equal to minus 5 into 2 into 3. Therefore, the given statement is verified. Today we have seen chapter 1 integers, exercise 1.3 all sums. Hope you all like this video. If you like this video, please like, share to your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.